Okay, so what are we doing here?
We are going to test fire a VersaCut 60 plasma cutter.
All right. So what does this dude do?
Well, using compressed air and electricity, you will be able to slice through metal like butter.
Okay. And then how do you connect it to the metal?
Ground clamp grounds the metal, makes it so you can cut it up. I've cleaned a spot where should be able to get a good ground.
Show me the cutting end, the business end of this dude.
So this is what we have. This is just the handle.
Okay. And so what do you do with it?
Basically, you get it at a preset width away. Gives you a little spacer bar here.
After you get this all ready to go, then what do you do?
Powered on, you adjust your air pressure. I believe this unit calls for 60 to 65 psi. So it just regulates how much airflow you're getting in. Everything that I've read, you actually want to crank it up a little bit more because this restricts the airflow.
Yeah. So
you might be getting 60 to 70 psi right back there, but when it gets to the regulator, you're not truly getting 60 to 65 psi.
So why do you need the welding helmet?
Protect my eyes.
Well, sure. So is it bright as a regular welding arc?
Yeah, you can use regular cutting goggles if you want. This has an auto darkening lens, so
it adjusts to what you need.
Yeah, I turned the sensitivity down, so it should give me a little bit of light to cut. So
good. All right. Well, let's see how it works.
Cool. I have it set at about 70 psi and 35 amps output, which should be more than enough to cut through this. It's like 1/8 inch rusty angle iron. I have some bigger stuff that I'm going to try cutting through after that. I believe it is 5/16 and it's 1/4 inch. So yeah,
let's touch it off.
Good sign. It handled the 1/8 inch, no problem. Rusty.
Right through it.
Oh yeah. Okay, this is 1/4 inch plate steel that has been welded into a little jig here. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to make a cut through here and see how it goes. Quarter inch.